In this video, I'm going to talk about Move blockchains based on Move, the newest programming language after Solidity, Rust, which is widely used, and a bunch of others. You probably know some of these blockchains, but I will mention all three. There are two bigger ones and one smaller that are worth mentioning. They are Aptos, Sui, and Starcoin. So, what is Move in the first place? Move is a language based on Rust that is definitely focused on security. Security is the most important thing. Developers behind Move, which was DM before, came out of Facebook and decided that what's missing in smart contract programming languages is the security, built-in features for the security, so they started working on that. Rust is already a good choice for a programming language. This is what Solana is based on because it gives really great way to build super fast blockchains, and Move takes that even further with built-in security measures. So that is for the start. So let's get started with the first on the list, Aptos, which is the further away, the most developed right now, and it really raised a lot of capital and interest. It raised over $300 million, already launched the mainnet. The token is live, you can buy it on most of the major exchanges, and it was really an interesting launch. So basically the community is growing very fast with DeFi applications, NFT marketplaces like Bluemove. I will mention that also in the context of Sui. There are many things happening right now. Most of the time though, the team behind Aptos is focused on building the network itself, scaling it. The main focus of Aptos is even more security. So they want to make sure that the Aptos is really super secure. They want to avoid all the hacks we know from Ethereum and other EVMs, so they want to focus really on security. Second on the list is Sui. Sui is very similar to Aptos, but the focus here is more on speed. So they want to have super fast blockchain, much faster than Solana, also built on Move, also built by the team of former developers from Facebook that decided that DM and then Move is really a great choice as a smart contract language, and decided to build on top of that. So Sui is supposed to launch somehow soon. So we have a devnet already, but devnet is not even a testnet, so there are constant changes. If you want to just play around or you're a developer, this is a good moment to start learning it. But if you're just an ordinary user, you can still wait for a testnet that should come probably sometimes this year, and you'll be able to use that and probably be eligible still for a crypto airdrop, because that is happening. We had a crypto airdrop for Aptos for all the testnet users that managed to mint the original NFT on Aptos. Something similar might happen here on Sui as well. It's definitely worth following, so subscribe to my channel for that. I will cover all the news related to Sui, Aptos, and other blockchains. Finally, what I have on my list is Starcoin. Starcoin, on the contrary, is a super small coin. The team started building in 2017, and the coin actually launched after many changes in 2021. By the end of the year, so it's been running for over a year now, and it's still very small community coin. Very interestingly, they have chosen Move as their smart contract language very early on. So this is very interesting because they launched definitely before Aptos and Sui, and they keep on building. So they keep on building. They have DeFi applications, they have NFTs already, and what's also interesting is that they are a proof of work blockchain. Both Aptos and Sui are proof of stake blockchains at this point. So this is probably the only proof of work blockchain based on Move smart contract programming language, which is very interesting. So I ask you to actually go through all three of them, do your own research if you want to invest in any of them. For now, you can buy tokens for Aptos and Starcoin. Sui, as I've mentioned, has only a testnet, a devnet for now, and will have a testnet and only then a mainnet, so you're not able to buy the actual tokens for now. However, the Move ecosystem will definitely be growing, and it's interesting how it will relate to other ecosystems. My bet is that there will be a lot of developers going from Solana ecosystem to either Aptos, Sui or Starcoin, because it's super similar. If you can code on Solana, you can code on Aptos, Sui or Starcoin with Move smart contract programming language, and of course Solana, because it was so connected to FTX and Alameda research, got some bad PR last year, so this might influence how people view and how developers view developing on Solana, but this is yet to see. Solana for now is working well, and it seems that people are taking interest again in Solana after some of the bad actors left the field, so it's still not super obvious which of those blockchains will win in the long term. Super interesting to follow. As I've mentioned, Rust or Move are great smart contract programming languages, and blockchains based on those languages are definitely well positioned to be super scalable and to welcome millions upon millions upon millions of users, which is a great thing. We want to have that. We want to have crypto grow as much as possible. Thank you for watching. Again, subscribe to my channel for more crypto updates on everything from blockchains, L2s to NFTs and DeFi. See you in the next video.